Kakšno imaš danes funkcijo tukaj?
Moja funkcija je povezovanje celotnega prireditve in za časa tega povezovanja spiti čim več zastonj viskija, kar je možno.
Mene zanima, a je res, da so te kot otroka zapustili v gozdu, kjer te je posvojila volkulja in te naučila moderirati in vse to?
Ne, to sta bila Remul pa Remčica, kako je bil Rom, ne, čak, Remul pa Cigan, ne. V glavnem, pač to je bajka. Je pa res, da me je posvojil en medved, ki me je pol naučil košute loviti. In to bi se res zahvalil temu medvedu, ker mi je res to pač eno tako znanje, ki
prav pride.
Ja, veš, ker mislim, nikoli ne moreš imeti premalo košut v shrambi, tako da.
So, we're here in Ljubljana. How come you're here?
I got lost at the airport.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I mean, it's the first time we're here. We heard about Ljubljana, but it's a pretty cool place to be, so we're here.
If you're going to get lost, you might as well get lost in Ljubljana.
Ready, set.
You have a new CD, yeah?
Selfless promotion going on there. Our press agent made us do that. I'd just like to point that out at this stage. Yes.
What's the inspiration for your new CD?
The inspiration was the first CD is we wanted to do something that was around 120 BPMs. You know, nothing too heavy that kind of could be enjoyed by the pool or by the beach, and it was just something a bit groovier and a bit deeper on that level. And then the second CD was meant to kind of reflect what we do on a main set and a club set. And you know, Nikki Beach asked us to do it, and we've been playing at Nikki Beach in Miami for years at Winter Music Conference and various other things, so it seemed like a good fit for us, and I have to say it's done really well, so we're very happy. If you went out and bought it, thank you very much.